Monrovia's teachers receiving support from the community after they lost their classroom supplies in a school fire. Happened last month just as school was about to start. Eyewitness News reporter Leo Starr with us live in Monrovia joins us with more. Leo?
Hey, my friend, more than half a dozen classrooms destroyed by that fire here at Bradoaks Elementary School in Monrovia. The community stepping up in a big way. Folks, this is a heartwarming story about people helping people. Here's more.
Thank you again for your outpouring support. It's been absolutely amazing to see what the community of Monrovia has been able to accomplish for our teachers and students that have been affected.
Tristina Gallo nearly in tears over the outpouring of support from the school district and the community. This on the heels of a fire destroying more than a dozen classrooms at Bradoaks Elementary in Monrovia, January 31st. The fire erupting in a classroom that morning just before school was set to start. No one was injured in the blaze.
Ooh, sorry.
Christina, overwhelmed with gratitude, thankful to you, the community, donating notebooks, paper, books, pencils, pens, and so much more.
We started a Venmo page, and I'm so thankful to Monrovia City News because they allowed me to post it on their public page, which then in turn allowed the community of Monrovia to come together and support our teachers that were in need.
Christina is a former student at Bradoaks and has 2 kids at the school and a 3rd child who graduated from the elementary school.
The amazing thing about this experience is that the community has outpoured, and I'm talking outpoured, love and support.
Bradoaks Elementary School teacher Heather Probanelli elated by the support as well as school administrators scrambled to get students into alternative classrooms the day after the fire. Heather saying it's the priceless jewels that teachers and the community replaced touching her soul.
The district is giving us our basic needs,
Okay.
but in those boxes are the things that made the classroom that extra special.
What?
Like decorations. Every teacher has, if you walk into the classroom, you see their personality in their classroom.
Okay.
I have 2 nephews here that were both displaced by the fire, so it's very heartwarming and very personal to me to see how they have been supported in and amongst all of their classmates, as well as their teachers.
And again, 8 classrooms destroyed by the fire. No word on what sparked the blaze.